everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am just heading out to the grocery store because there are a few deals on some fresh produce that I want to get, and I'm really making an effort to try some different stores and take advantage of any localized specials that they have, because you never know, certain stores discount different things. So let's go and have a look and see what we can find. I really want to have something remarkable for dinner, something I don't normally have, so we'll see what we can find today, and we'll check how the shelves are doing as well. And right away, before we even head into the store, I see this big 50-pound bag of onions for $17.99. This would be a great thing to split with a few people. Like if you got 5 people and you all took 10 pounds of onions each, you would get a great deal. And here's our red and green leaf lettuce, and the price of it here is $4.49. I have seen it as high as $6.99 in other grocery stores, but I think this is because of the drought in California, and I do notice that this lettuce does come from the States, so I think I'm going to move to other greens this week. I noticed they have spinach on sale for $2.99 for an 8-ounce package, so I might grab one of these. Let me know in the comments what the price of cauliflower is doing in your region. But here it is just exploding. So look at the regular price at $6.99. I feel like these were $4.99 not that long ago. The sale price is $2.99, which is still a really great deal. So I am going to grab one of these. I also noticed the price of bananas creeping up a little bit. Now this used to be the price for organic, but now this is the price for regular at this particular store. If you can find a good deal on rice, get it now because the price of it is going up. But this is the best price that I've found. This is 4.4 pounds of basmati rice for $5.99. It's just about half price. So if you can find a deal like that in your area, snatch it up because the price of it is rising. And the proof of that is right here. This is a 22-pound bag of medium grain rice from California. And look at the regular price. It's over $50 and it's on sale for $47.99. That is not a lot of rice for 50 bucks. Now, I think California is having some issues with their rice crop due to drought. So if you can get a good deal on rice, get it now. Now, I think this is a phenomenon that's occurring everywhere with pasta, but I'm finding that a lot of the shelves are just kind of fronted off. Like if I look back here, there's nothing in behind and everything is just facing forward. And I noticed that we just seem to be down to a few different brands and the prices are higher. This is insane now, $1.29 for Friskies cat food. This used to be 70 cents not that long ago. And the Fancy Feast is exactly the same price. Now, I heard that this might be due to the aluminum shortage or just in difficulty getting ingredients, but wow, this is a lot. This is about the best price that we're going to see going forward now for toilet paper, $6.49. The best price last year was $5.99, and if you got a really good deal, it was $4.79. So now when I come into a grocery store, this is just the kind of section I like to look for. I always like to look for a clearance shelf of some sort to see what's on there. And right away on here, I'm seeing a bottle of vanilla extract, and it's $4.65, which is half price. So I'm going to get one of these because unopened, I mean, even opened, this will last in the pantry if it's kept away from heat and light for 3 or 4 years. So I will pick up one of these. And what else do we have? We've got some Tim Hortons coffee here, and it's the sale price is $11.99 from $21.99. What's the date? Expiry date is February of 2023, so it looks like it's going to be expiring next month. But you know what? I've had good luck with these, so even if I keep it in the pantry unopened, I mean, you can use this 6, 8, 9 months past the date and it's just fine. This was also in the clearance section, olive oil for $7.99, and the expiry date isn't until 2024, but unopened this will last a couple years past the date, so that's a good deal for olive oil. There's also this little package of Burt's Bees lip balms on sale for $8.99. This would actually be a cute little Valentine's Day gift for someone. I ended up going to a couple of different stores, and I didn't film in the second one, but I'll show you everything I got. And I do need to get dinner on the go, and I'll show you what I got in mind for that. So here's everything I got today. I got the spinach, cauliflower, bananas. I also picked up some snap peas and some carrots because I made hummus in the fridge and I wanted these for dipping. And these were a great find. These were 40% off. So I picked up 2 packages of the cod just because I like to have them in the freezer for quick meals. And I did stop at another store on the way home. And the lettuce is just so expensive, but I was able to find this package here for $3 off, which was half price. So that'll be a great salad for tonight. I got some ground beef with a $4 off coupon and some vanilla extract. And I also found this. Now these are pork neck bones, and I've never cooked these before. And the price was really good. So I just kind of stood in the aisle and brought out my phone and tried to figure out what to do with them. And I think these are going to be really good. So I was going to Google a recipe to see what to do with those pork neck bones, but I decided to call my mom instead and ask her, and she gave me an idea of how to cook them. So that's what I'm going to try. And I figure if it came from her, it's bound to be good. This smells amazing. It's only been cooking for a few minutes, but it smells like when my mama cooks. So I'm going to put the lid on and just leave it open a tiny bit to vent, and we're gonna let it simmer for an hour and a half. And this is gonna be so good with potatoes or pasta or just on its own with some other veggies. Oh, I can't wait. So it's been boiling for about an hour and the flavor is amazing because I snuck a little taste, but it's not quite as thick as I want it to be. So I'm gonna remedy that and I'm gonna add a couple of I dropped it. I'm gonna add a couple of these OXO bouillon cubes or bouillon packets, and I'm gonna add in a tablespoon of cornstarch, mix that in there so that it's nice and smooth, just to thicken it up, and these OXO packets will give it a nice rich flavor as well. So I think that's gonna be the ticket. That meal turned out amazing. I would make it again in a heartbeat and my whole family loved it. And I think going forward, looking for those deals is gonna be the name of the game. So let me know what you're seeing in your area. I live in British Columbia, so my grocery budget is a little bit different from where you live, but post in the comments what you're noticing around you. In the meantime, stay well, everyone. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next one.